In the bottom right corner, I'm using the MMGS unit system, which stands for millimeter, gram, second. Now let's start creating the sketch. In the FeatureManager design tree, I select top plane, then click Sketch to begin drawing. First, we'll make the base of the heatsink. I activate center rectangle, click on the origin, move the cursor outward, and click again to make a centered rectangle. Next, let's add some dimensions. I choose Smart Dimension, click the top horizontal line, move the cursor upward, and click again. I set the length to 121 millimeters, then press Enter. For the width, I click the right vertical line, move the cursor to the right, click again, and set it to 70 millimeters. Press Enter. Now the sketch is fully defined. Next, I go to the Features tab and select Extruded Boss Base. In the Property Manager, keep the end condition as blind and set the depth to 2 millimeters. Then click OK. I zoom in a little to see it better. In the FeatureManager design tree, I right-click Boss Extrude 1, choose Rename Tree Item, and rename it to Base. Now let's create the whole area of the heatsink. I select top plane again and click Sketch to start a new one. This time, I activate corner rectangle, click the top left corner, move the cursor toward the bottom left, and click again to make the shape. Next, go to the Sketch tab and select Tangent Arc. I click the top and bottom points of the left vertical line to create the arc. Then press Escape to exit the Tangent Arc command. Now I'll change the left vertical line into construction geometry so it won't count as part of the solid model. To do that, I select the line and click Construction Geometry from the Context toolbar. Next, let's add dimensions. Activate Smart Dimension, click the top horizontal line, move the cursor up, and click again. Set the width to 4 millimeters, then press Enter. Now click the arc, move the cursor to the left, click again, and set the radius to 4 millimeters. Since the shape is symmetrical, we'll mirror it to the right side. Activate Center Line, click at the origin, move upward to the midpoint of the top edge, then click again. Go to the Sketch tab and choose Mirror Entities. Under Entities to Mirror, select the entire sketch by dragging from top left to bottom right. Make sure Copy is checked, and for Mirror About, choose the center line. Once you see the yellow preview on the right, click OK. Now go back to Features tab and select Extruded Boss Base again. Keep end condition, blind, and depth, 2 millimeters, same as before. Make sure Merge Result is checked, then click OK. In the FeatureManager design tree, right-click Boss Extrude 2, choose Rename Tree Item, and rename it to Hole Spot. Now let's smooth the edges using the Fillet feature. Go to the Features tab, select Fillet, then click the 2 front edges of the base, the right and left sides. Set the fillet radius to 4 millimeters and click OK. Next, we'll make holes for mounting the heatsink. Click the top face of the model, then choose Sketch. Zoom in a bit to work more easily. Activate Circle. Click at the center of the top right arc. Move outward and click again to make a circle. Repeat the same step for the other arc. Now add dimensions. Choose Smart Dimension. Click one of the circles, move the cursor away, and click again. Set the diameter to 4 millimeters, then press Enter. Press Escape to exit the command. Next, we'll make all the circles the same size. Click one circle, hold Control, and click the other circle. From the Context toolbar, select Make Equal. Once the sketch is ready, go to Features tab and choose Extruded Cut. In Property Manager, change end condition to through all so the holes go through the entire part. Click OK to complete the operation. In the design tree, rename Cut Extrude 1 to Hole. Now we'll create the heatsink fins. Click the top face again and start a new sketch. Zoom in a little to make it clearer. Activate corner rectangle. Click on the right edge. Move the cursor to the top left and click on the top edge to complete the rectangle. Next, add dimensions. Activate Smart Dimension. Click the bottom horizontal line, move downward, and click again. Set the width to 3 millimeters, then press Enter. Click the bottom horizontal line again, then the bottom edge of the model. Move the cursor right and click again. Set the distance to 8 millimeters, then press Enter. Since the shape is symmetrical, we'll mirror it to the left side. Activate Center Line. Click the origin, move upward to the midpoint of the top edge, then click again. Press Escape. Go to the Sketch tab and choose Mirror Entities. Under Entities to Mirror, select the rectangle we just made. Make sure Copy is checked, and for Mirror About, choose the center line. Then click OK. Now extrude the sketch. Go to Features tab. Select Extruded Boss Base. Keep End Condition, Blind, Set Depth, 40 millimeters, and keep Merge Result checked. Also, turn on Draft. Set the draft angle to 1 degree, and make sure Draft Outward is unchecked. Click OK. Use Zoom to fit to center the model, then zoom in a bit. Rename Boss Extrude 3 to Fin 1. Next, click the top face and create another sketch. Zoom in. Use Corner Rectangle. Click the bottom edge, move to the top left, and click on the top edge to finish the shape. Now add dimensions again. Use Smart Dimension. Click the bottom horizontal line, move downward, and click. Set the width to 3 millimeters. Press Enter. Click the right vertical line, then the right edge of the model, move downward, and click. Set the distance to 8 millimeters, and press Enter. Go to Features tab. Choose Extruded Boss Base. Keep End Condition, Blind, Depth, 40 millimeters, and Merge Result checked. Also, turn on Draft with Draft Angle, 1 degree, and make sure Draft Outward is unchecked. Then click OK. Rename Boss Extrude 4 to Fin 2. Now we'll duplicate Fin 2 using Linear Pattern. Go to the Features tab and select Linear Pattern. In Features to Pattern, select Fin 2. Then click the Pattern Direction box and choose the top front edge. We'll use Up to Reference as the option. For the reference geometry, select the left edge as the reference. The preview will automatically show the duplicated fins up to that reference. Since the distance from the right edge to Fin 2 is 8 millimeters, set offset distance to 8 millimeters to make it equal on both sides. Switch to the front view to check the preview more clearly, then set the spacing to 6 millimeters. The number of instances will adjust automatically. When everything looks good, click OK. Change to Dimetric View and zoom in to see the final result. Rename L Pattern 1 to Fin L Pattern. All right, the heatsink model is now complete. Finally, click Save. Name the file Heatsink and click Save again to store it.